You know, get to the Memorial Union. I think it's like the MU. Sorry, where is it? Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. I saw a lot of people with bagels. Where'd you?
Right over there.
Okay. Are they just? Do you need like a sun card or?
You can just like put your name in like a thing.
Oh.
And then you just get one. I'm not even an engineer.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're bad.
Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
Ow. What'd you
I don't
do
know.
that for?
I'm so sorry. Enjoy your bagel.
Thank you. Freshman dorms, are they going to be open like over the summer or?
Which freshman dorm?
I think Sonora.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Okay. Because I'm trying to sneak in them.
They should be open now. So.
Okay. For how long? Do you know?
I don't know. So.
I mean, like people are still living there, so you could probably just walk in.
Okay. Cool. Thanks. Yep. Have you taken chemistry before?
Yeah.
Do you have the exam at any time?
No. I took it.
Okay. Who'd you have as the professor?
I had. I don't remember his name. He's in that building right there.
Was it? It wasn't Pakishoni, was it?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Sorry, buddy.
So. Hey man, have you been to the SRC over there?
SRC?
Yeah, the.
No.
No. Do you know it's the gym? I think.
No.
No. Okay. Do you know if they have a racquetball court?
Yeah, racquetball. Yeah.
They do have a racquetball.
Yeah.
Can anybody use that or like?
Yeah, you can use it.
Do you have to check in?
Yeah.
You like Pop Tarts?
Huh?
Pop Tarts? Okay, thanks. How long are the finals going on?
How long?
The finals are going on.
Finals exam.
Okay. Where Hasayampa is?
Oh, it's like all the way over there.
How?
Go straight and then turn right and just keep going straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks. Cringe hurts my fucking heart, man. Hey man, you just come out of an exam in there?
Oh, I was like over there more.
Do you know if the building's like open all day or?
I'm not sure.
No.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can tell you.
Because I think I had a final. What's the name of this one?
I don't know.
No. Okay. Yeah, dude, I'm so lost right now, and if I miss it, I'm gonna fail the class. So.
What are you looking for?
I think PSY.
PSY? Nah, it might be back there.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'll try it. Thanks.
Cool.
Okay. And anybody like? I don't have my sun card. Do I?
No.
Okay. Do you know what finals are you guys taking?
We just got out of
Bio.
How'd it go? Oh, watch out! Watch out! Oh.
fucking scary shit.
Oh. What's that, dude?
What's up, man? Who are you?
Are you serious or are you kidding?
Yeah.
Oh. Steve.
Oh, Jamal, man. What's up? Hey, nice to meet
Hey,
you.
you know,
Dude, how you feel about the test?
it was alright.
I thought it was pretty good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have a breakdown. Jay,
Yeah,
I'm
too
gonna have a
bad.
breakdown. We gotta go.
Alright.
Go.
Alright.
Let's go. Do you guys want to get lunch or?
I
Do
gotta go
you guys want to get
to
lunch?
Yeah, I'm heading back there.
I mean, we can pick something up.